Okay, so today's I'll be making another video. But today I'm also joined by white keyboard haze, which is very cool. And today I'll be casting with a weapon with fixed delay. Otherwise, as weapons, I should never ever be casting with. So that's Rune Buster, that has fixed delay. Piercer, that has fixed delay. This has fixed delay. Fixed delay. Fixed delay, I want to say. I don't think so. Fixed delay. And then here, I'm pretty sure there's none of the snipers have fixed delay anymore, so I'll just use a random charge shots like that one. And finally, gonna be a fixed delay. And I'm just gonna also hop into his squad real quick. And yeah. Hey. And yeah. Oh, still connecting. It's either like he left the squad or my Wi-Fi here is just really bad. I'm gonna assume it's Hey, Annie. Hey, left. Oh. Hey. Does this say offline? Okay, he's back online. Hey. And yeah, hello. Wow. And random map. And yeah. Flaccid pool. Yo, I cannot ungo. Once I go, I can't ungo. I'm stuck. It's Paradise Resort, so I just like leave. If they're not in the server, then I'll just leave. And yeah, as you can see, every single weapon here has fixed delay, which means they're unable to cast spell with. And yeah. And yeah, so it's kind of sad how big one. There's pretty much every single weapon in this game has no more fixed delay. Hey, I didn't. Okay. Oh, there's a guy here. I go. That is such a waste of a. Cat spam. Cat. Yeah, catted him. Hey, get catted. Let's go. Get cat on. Get fixed delay catted. But yeah, every single one of these weapons are pretty good, but sadly they do have fixed delay, so not a lot of people use them for some reason. And I should probably turn this on because that is just auto aim, and it's in the game, so there's no shame in doing that. Died. And ritual revolvers, that's pretty good. Wow. What the? Wait. Hey. I guess I'll just go with more as like a shorter fixed delay, because like most of these weapons have a really long fixed delay, as you can see here. You see, long fixed delay. I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but like on my screen I have some random lag spikes where it just stopped moving. Look at that, my screen just stopped moving. Like when I like move my screen, it suddenly stops and then just snaps. Very strange. Oh, you got a kill with that. That's neat. Is bro okay? I am a winner. I'm a winner. You spell with one less N. What the? I should probably use like better AoE weapons, cause like those are just easy to aim with. I got killed. let's go. Bees. Yeah. Alright. But yeah, for some reason I'm missing every single shot here, which is not ideal to say the least. Yeah, I should probably not do it in such a big map because like everyone's on one side, no one's on this side, and I'm always on this side which has nobody. Why did I go this side when I saw no one else here? What the? I did not see that in this guy. Huh. Yeah. This is hard. I always get a good aim on them, but then the fix delay, you know? See, look at that. I had good aim on them, but then the fix delay kicked in. Also, I'm doing quite badly. I should probably do this on a smaller map. Whoa, 27 kills, that is pretty good. It's hard to get 27 kills on a map like this. Too big. I'm gonna switch maps and also swap loader, because this loader I do not vibe with. What's a good weapon here that seems like a cat spam but actually has fixed delay? I guess frozen heart could work. Good code. I remember my friend was 5 cat with a good code, but then good code has fixed delay. So yeah, I'm gonna grab this and here. I have no clue. I'll just grab electrosphere. Why not? Here. I've gold fever. Yash. I got black ray pistol. It looks cool. Here, I'm gonna also grab the terror spreader. Hey, let's go. He's on a squad lobby. I'm enjoying it. Nice. But yeah, team fight, go. And also just gonna spam through these. Oh, there we go. Activate that real quick, and I do also have to practice my aim a bit. I actually do not remember that my frozen heart doing this much damage. Wow. Hey, who kills people when they're AFK? Nah, at least give them a chance to like move before you kill them, you know? Scooty sniper rifle. The black sniper. How do I get used to fixed delay? Hey, let's go. Let's go. Fixed delay cat spam, actually really good. As long as you got used to the delays, it's actually very nice. Cause like most damage with fixed delay are really high damaging weapons. So like, yeah. X-ray goggle. I see myself an enemy. Oh yeah, terror spreader. Hey, let's go. Oh, rocket jump kill. That was a cool rocket jump kill too. Oh, another cool rocket jump kill. TP, and I got. Yeah. What does it mean by wrong playstyle? Don't make sense. Boom. Kill assist. Aha. Oh, didn't kill him. I wonder if Undertaker's. Whoa! The fellow's also using this. Oh, it's a different cape. Bruh. I thought he or she was using the same cape I was. The same cape editor. which is gonna be like really cool, cause like, aha, let's go, GG, victory, 14 kills, mostly by Frozen Heart, because that thing is OP, let's go. Gonna turn up the tab, let's go. He plays again, I play again, let's go. I got boo, 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 ha, hoi, hoist, pam. Oh, how did it know my gold fever? I'm not gonna ask because it just doesn't make sense. Let me see here. Jet speed got fixed delay? Bruh. It does. I changing it. One small, one's last. This one, why not? Yeah. Not terror spreader. I'm gonna switch it out for Rumble. Rumble's good. Not Demon Crusher. Here I'm gonna pop in a pretty solid weapon that's called Deadly Swirl. Moon Hunter Ball, my favorite, Charge Sniper, and for the last one I'm gonna equip the Invincible Line because it's just good, and I got killed by Ninja Shurikens. Bro did not need to use Ninja Shurikens to kill me. Whoops. Wow, look at that. That's a very interesting skin, I want to say. Very. Oh, got a kill. Wow. Oh. Hey. I see people. Oh. We're losing. Boom. Boom. Okay, I fixed delay. It's just not good. Because like cat spamming involves a weapon that with no delay. So it's like category spam. This is like category switch. It's not even spam no more. It's category swap. Great meta, great meta. Let's go. Yeah. Back up. Always die. Is that a wrong place? It is not a wrong place. How the flip did I get wrong place just now? Hey, hoi. Hey, X-ray. Boom. Boom. Hey, got used to this game again. Nice. Right. Past the greater. Pretty sure that weapon is like. Yeah, that weapon is pretty good. It's basically the laser cycler, but with like, I think weakness was it? Yeah. I'm TPing away. I saw bees. But there's no bees. I got baited. Bro's running. He died. He is not running. He is fleeing. I believe I'm dead. So I'm gonna put a last stand. Which failed because it died. He just trampled over my dead body. Does he have no remorse? Man. How did he miss ultimatum shot? Wow, must be a good player. Let's go. GG. We are winning by 4 kills, 5 kills. No way they can clutch up now. That's GG, bro. That's GG. GG. 15 kills and 15 kills of Lord Hayes. Let's go. And another YT. That's cool. Good, yeah, that's Casper with a fixed delay. And I'm once again in the bath because like I got school tomorrow, and if I get out of the bath, then my mom will not make me live videos. Will not allow me to make videos, so I'm stuck in the bath. Oh, ow. Why is the shower head hard? Why is this like spiky? Ow. But yeah, that was chaos time with fixed delay. And yeah, fixed delay, you know, all of these are fixed delay. So like, yeah. But I also have a tournament coming up soon, so yeah, do join that. And I'm gonna play a few games with Lord Hayes before I go. But yeah, this is cat spamming with fixed delay. If you guys have any more like dares or weapon you want me to review, or perhaps you got a yeah, stuff like that, comment down below and I'll be sure to do them. And that's all for today's show, and hope you have a great day.